Imagine a world where the juicy steak on your plate didn't come from a farm, but was created in a lab. Lab-grown meat promises the flavor, texture, and satisfaction of traditional meat while eliminating the environmental and ethical concerns of livestock farming. It's an innovation that could redefine the way we think about food, but there's a key question we need to answer. Can lab-grown meat replicate the intricate nutrient harmony found in natural meat? At the heart of this challenge lies nutrient synergy, the way nutrients in whole foods work together to maximize their benefits. Nutrient synergy refers to the natural interactions between nutrients that enhance their absorption and effectiveness. In whole foods, these relationships are seamless. For example, vitamin C enhances the absorption of non-heme iron, making it more effective. Vitamin D works alongside calcium to support bone health, while healthy fats enable the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. This natural nutrient package ensures that your body can extract and utilize the full spectrum of benefits from the food you eat. It's this synergy that makes a steak or a vegetable more than just a sum of its parts. Traditional meat is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own. It's rich in heme iron, a highly bioavailable form of iron that doesn't require additional cofactors for absorption. Meat also contains beneficial fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support brain and heart health. Beyond that, meat is packed with micronutrients like zinc and vitamin B12, naturally paired with cofactors that aid in their absorption. This complex nutritional profile makes meat an unparalleled source of essential nutrients. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured or cultivated meat, is created by culturing animal cells in a controlled environment. While this process can replicate the muscle tissue of traditional meat, matching its complete nutritional profile is far more complicated. Lab-grown meat can mimic protein structure, but that's only part of the equation. To imitate traditional meat, nutrients like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12 must be added artificially. However, adding these nutrients doesn't guarantee they'll be absorbed as efficiently as those found in natural meat. The lack of natural nutrient synergy in lab-grown meat means it's challenging to replicate the full health benefits of real meat. A significant issue for lab-grown meat lies in bioavailability, how well the body can absorb and utilize nutrients. In traditional meat, nutrients are present in forms that the body is primed to absorb. Heme iron, for instance, is far more bioavailable than the non-heme iron typically used in fortification. Similarly, zinc in real meat is naturally accompanied by proteins and other compounds that enhance its absorption. In lab-grown meat, these interactions are absent, meaning nutrients might be present on paper, but less effective in practice. This difference highlights why matching the nutrition of traditional meat is so challenging for lab-grown alternatives. One of the most difficult aspects of creating lab-grown meat is replicating the natural relationships between nutrients found in traditional meat. In whole foods, nutrients work together in complex ways to create a balanced profile. For example, amino acids in protein support the absorption of minerals like zinc, while natural enzymes and cofactors enhance digestion and nutrient uptake. Simply adding nutrients to lab-grown meat doesn't replicate these interactions. Without cofactors and the broader matrix of natural compounds present in real meat, engineered alternatives fall short of providing the same comprehensive nutrition. Fortifying lab-grown meat with isolated nutrients also carries risks. Over-fortification can lead to nutrient imbalances and health issues. Excess iron, for instance, can cause iron overload, potentially leading to organ damage. Similarly, synthetic vitamin A, when consumed in high doses, can be toxic. Unlike whole foods, which naturally balance nutrient levels, fortified lab-grown meat must carefully manage these risks to avoid unintended consequences. Additionally, nutrients like non-heme iron may require dietary aids, such as vitamin C for absorption, further complicating the challenge of fortification. The supplement industry provides real-world lessons about the limitations of isolated nutrient fortification. For example, calcium supplements, when not balanced with magnesium and vitamin D, have been linked to heart issues. Beta-carotene supplements, once thought to boost vitamin A levels, were later found to increase cancer risk in smokers when taken in isolation. These examples highlight the importance of consuming nutrients as part of a complete, balanced matrix, something whole foods provide naturally, but lab-grown meat struggles to replicate. To become a true nutritional alternative, lab-grown meat needs to go beyond basic fortification. Scientists must develop advanced nutrient blends that include cofactors and mimic the natural matrix of traditional meat. Research into bioavailability is essential to ensure that the added nutrients are absorbed and used by the body as effectively as those in whole foods. Beyond primary nutrients like protein and iron, lab-grown meat will need to consider lesser-known compounds like collagen, enzymes, and connective tissues that contribute to overall health. Achieving this level of complexity is a monumental challenge, but one that's necessary for lab-grown meat to match the nutritional depth of real meat. Lab-grown meat represents an impressive leap forward in food technology, offering a more sustainable and ethical way to produce protein. However, when it comes to nutritional synergy, it has a long way to go. Whole foods have evolved over millennia to provide a complete, balanced package of nutrients that our bodies recognize and utilize efficiently. While lab-grown meat may eventually bridge the gap, it currently lacks the natural nutrient interactions and bioavailability that make traditional meat so effective. The future of food may be cultivated in a lab, but for now, nature still holds the upper hand. As science progresses, the challenge will be not only to replicate, but to enhance the benefits of whole foods, creating a new era of nutrition that honors both innovation and nature's complexity. Thank you for watching. If you found this topic intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep exploring how science and nature can come together to shape the future of food.